feeling better, Amalie?
I am.
A queen has fallen.
Today we are taking the first load of our personal stuff into the house because we're actually moving in. It's kind of crazy.
The ropes are what really matters.
Yeah. What a lovely weather.
I can't wait to jump in the pool!
In the rain. Jon, today is for cleaning. We have to go stop somewhere and get cleaning tools. We
You're
forgot
talking
that.
to yourself.
Today is the day.
So we have a checklist, a long checklist, because we want to make this home homey. The first to-do list is to make the living room livable. We have to install lounge cushions. We have to unpack kitchen because, Amalie, you're going to cook something marvelous, I decided.
And we need to clean the whole house.
I don't want to step on your terrain. We have to make the library look like a library. We have to enjoy the swimming pool because it is finally full. And get rid of cardboard boxes. What do we do with those?
That's your department. I won't interfere with you.
Make guest room cozy. Make master room even cozier. And use rainforest shower for the first time. That's going to be one of the greatest
I love
things.
your priorities, Jon.
Yeah.
You really...
Fill plunge pool and enjoy morning coffee. Have a barbecue on outdoor terrace.
When you made this list, did you include the fact that we have to unpack everything?
Amalie, I'm all about fun having.
I
And
know, that's your problem, honey. You need to also...
let's get going.
I'm so excited to see this. I got this for the kitchen. Wow. Okay, maybe you can unwrap this, Jon. Can you be a big baby?
Okay.
Don't destroy anything.
Amalie, don't talk down to me.
No, I'm just saying with the knife, this is like the inside can break, you know.
Amalie, don't talk down to me. You know, it would be best if I wasn't here.
What? Listen, that's not entirely true.
So we bought this house 3 years ago, which means we've been closely following the Prometheus team every step of the way. Building a dream villa with insane design plans like these on a remote volcanic island like Madeira is not easy. Getting to this very moment has been a 6-year-long design and development process, so me and Amalie have only seen half of the work that's gone into it. What appeals so much to us from the very get-go is the philosophy behind each villa. You don't just buy a shell, you get a curated home that ticks all the boxes of what it means to live in an architectural art piece that also feels homey, warm, and comfortable.
Over the last year, as our house had been nearing completion, I joined the Prometheus team as the interior designer of not only our home, but all 3 Cidade villas, in addition to the 3 Aurora villas that are also nearing completion, and I can't wait to show you. Obviously, I love the whole process of unboxing and assembling all the fun stuff and furnitures. But if I was as useless as Jon, we could have left all the work to the Prometheus team, who normally takes care of getting the house turnkey ready. Although the house doesn't actually have a key, but we'll get to that later. Excited.
Uh-oh.
So the whole philosophy behind this is that every single thing in the house reflects a part of the architecture. That's why these chairs has the holes, because the facade has all the holes.
I promise you, Lara, tonight it'll be so cozy here.
And
yes!
You are gonna love it.
It'll be so cozy.
Are you guys ready for ASMR? There's so much to do yet, but I start seeing how things matches.
Mm-hmm. I happily forgot about all the cardboard that comes when you move into a new home.
I just have an idea to speed up things.
Yeah?
You take care of the cardboard and I take care of the kitchen. So if we want to cook today, we're actually in a time sensitive. What?
Let's not rush.
No, but you do the cardboard. feel so bad for Jon. He is so incredible and he has so many talents, but he does not like moving. Jon.
Yeah.
You seem a little stressed.
Yes, I'm stressing.
A few moments later.
This is so much fun. I'm having a lot of fun, Amalia. Are you having fun?
For me, it's almost therapeutic to do these things.
It's a shame I don't drink anymore because then I could just hide somewhere with a bottle of wine. Står ikke det her? I don't understand it. Wow. See? Perfect height, actually. Amalia. This is why you let me do this and you find the vacuum cleaner
really
right now.
If Apple made a vacuum cleaner, this would be it. Phew. Okay, this is good. Woo. Woo. I'm very satisfied with this.
But Amalia, I'm almost at a point where I don't have any insulin left. Let's eat. This is what I'm staring at while Amalia is doing the grocery shopping. This is literally the view from the parking lot. I don't think I'm ever gonna get tired of this view here.
Portuguese lemons, Portuguese lime. No feet in the bed. My feet are so dirty. Oh my god, this bed is comfortable. Oh.
I cannot wait to sleep here.
So one of the things that really makes a hotel bed comfortable are these duvet things that you put on top at the end.
It's time for the office.
It's a very weird drawing.
It looks a little bit complex for my brain. You're doing fantastic.
You ready to go to sleep?
Ta-da! It's so beautiful.
My God, it's so nice.
Wow.
Can I? Now we need to carry this heavy chair upstairs.
Maybe she will watch me like a hawk when I'm working.
I always do. I think it's so beautiful. It's so simple and so beautiful.
Less is more. It's finally time to unwrap
My office.
your...
I said it before you would.
What's in here?
I think it's my Japanese teapot.
Look how much tea we have here. It's so heavy.
Yeah. And then you put the tea in here, then you put the water, and then...
Boom.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's stunning.
Look how cool this looks together.
It's almost like we're at a fancy Japanese sushi restaurant.
These are all our glasses, Jon.
You can get alcohol-free red wine, alcohol-free white wine, alcohol-free champagne. So I might actually use these. This is a Stanley present.
I got them a toaster.
This is what Americans, they give
For wedding presents.
wedding presents.
Oh
9 out of 10 times.
I got a really nice brand.
It's beautiful.
Because I think Smeg is too, everybody has Smeg. And I actually think we should put it in here because there are plugs in here.
Alessi. We're not gonna put them in the dishwasher now.
Well, we could. I just want to see. I don't know exactly where to place everything yet. But I think this looks epic.
This looks like an art piece.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
You know, a lot of this we ordered before I conclusively stopped drinking alcohol. And that's why it hurts my feelings to see this electric wine opener. These are so pretty. I love them.
This is me. Fucking cool.
This is one of the coolest garlic presses I've seen.
Yeah?
Ta-da! These knives here are just a work of art. Look, you have this hole here in between, and it's just like the craftsmanship is truly amazing. I mean, I think I can obsess about these things for some reason. Wow, they're so sharp. Epic or what? Wow, Amalia, is this really the best you'll do?
Please don't be hard on me. My back hurts. I'm tired. I have no motivation. I'm still sick, by the way. I'm not gonna lie. I would have appreciated Uber Eats today. Pillows. Oh, these are all hyperallergenic pillows. These are double duvets, so we can keep each other warm like when we stay at hotels.
Nice. Oof, that looks comfy.
It feels so good, like so good. Okay, perfect. Oh my god, it's dangerous. We should have closed the video before this. Elsker dig. Og jeg elsker dig også, Lara.
It was so windy last night, and I woke up in the middle of the night because I thought something was broken, and it was, but it was luckily just the fence, which is temporary, so everything else is fine. It's a good stress test for the house. Amelia, how did you sleep?
I slept so good. I swear that bed is the best bed in the whole world. And because we didn't turn on the heat and it's kind of cold today, I actually appreciated that we had a double duvet, so Jon could keep me warm. I've been wanting to do one thing since we arrived here.
What's that?
My library chair.
I was thinking that we get all the garbage out. Look, guys. Greta Thunberg is not proud of us right now.
No.
You have stolen my dreams.
Ta-da! Oh my god, it's so
beautiful.
pretty.
Oh.
This is life. Okay.
Oh my god. It never stops. We are materialists.
No, we're not. Not in this house, Jon. It's our minimalist house. It feels very, very nice to clean the house up.
Yeah.
It is very dirty, but I'll give it like this fast.
Give it a good rub down. So
it will be a fast one today.
the goal is to wear white socks that are actually
But
white.
look.
That is so smart. More thorough, Amelia.
Shut up. We still haven't cooked in the house. It's hard to believe.
Amelia, you're so lazy.
I'm not. I'm still recovering from being sick, first of all. Hence the orange juice.
This is one of our new go-to places, the Old Pharmacy. And it's an old pharmacy, and it's very beautiful. But Amelia's restaurant is the best.
High five. Yeah. Good girl. Go get it.
It's a new dress for you.
Yes. We have so many cushions that goes in the lounge area, in the jacuzzi area, and it's pouring rain and we're expecting even more storm. So we're gonna wrap them and we're gonna put them underneath our house where we have this pool compartment that is like technical area. Yeah. No water can go through this.
This is such a fun material.
Yeah, and it's very comfortable to sit on with your bare skin.
And they can be outside all year round.
Yes. Here, this one is for you.
But this is like poop bags for Lara. I never know how to open.
A few minutes later.
See, I don't know how to open it. You like it, huh?
Jon. This one is for the jacuzzi lounge.
We are scared to unpack this sofa here because
There are still workers coming, first of all.
I can't wait for the weather to be good again, because this house is just built for indoor-outdoor living, and right now it's only indoor living.
Also, what are the odds? It never rains on this island. And then the one weekend where we're moving in.
Kobe.
Er der flere?
Yeah, 2 mere. It is starting to look habitable here,
It is.
I will say.
It's so nice. Very soon, Jon, we can relax for today.
It's finally warm outside.
And sunny.
Ah, it's so nice. There's still a storm, but it's okay. I got the cushions out and I measured correctly. It fits like perfectly. I was a little, when we unpacked it last night, I was like, uh-oh, this is not gonna fit, but it fits perfectly.
As we like to say, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. We still have a long way to go, but we can already tell how epic it's going to be. We also didn't manage to check off every item on our to-do list, plus we haven't even shared the real one, which is much, much longer. The pool and jacuzzi are still not fully configured. We don't have hot water yet, and we refuse to inaugurate the rainforest shower with cold water. The washing machine and dryer have not arrived, so Amalie has to wash our clothes in the Levada, old school style. The irrigation system for the gardens and common areas is also not ready. We also haven't showed you the vast amount of quirks and features that truly make the house come alive. How much coffee do you need, Amalie?
You know what? I'm celebrating the fact that the sun is shining.
And guys, we have our own coffee label soon to be announced.
I didn't know you were gonna mention that.
Yeah.
Do you want to see the bag? No. Okay.
The bag is not done. We're just waiting for the final design, and
That's why this machine is very important to us.
yeah.
It looks so delicious.
You know, when you look at the house, it's hard for me to relax. We're kind of installed, but not really. There's so much missing.
But
so
you
much
were
to
the
be-
one who wanted to do it slowly, Jon.
Well, you know, when I film the house and all the lines, all the close-ups, you know, you start to really notice just how incredible this house is, and that it truly is a piece of art. You know, this bonsai tree that we have gotten here, it adds so much charisma. And Amalie, she put it the best way in terms of how you describe this house. It's like a luxury New York City apartment that you just dumped on Madeira Island. And that's why there's nothing like it here. There's nothing like it.